Hey y'all, and today there's a new MSM Monsters 2, I should say. For example, at the end I'll add a little clip of what they sound like. So apparently they now have this cool new button. Yeah, so cool. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go into the shop. No way! Gunner! They made an epic humbug! That an epic humbug? Yes! Yes! Bro,
this is the look. That's a fan-made monster. It's the first fan-made monster to be added to MSM.
What?
It's fan-made.
Bro! That is so cool! A fan-made... MSM, if you're watching this, please add the fan-made wallboxes. Especially the Fire Hammond and Clubbox. Really cool. But this is a mythical. There's another one. But yeah. I'm gonna show y'all it. It's on Mythical Island. Okay, so it should be here. He's here too. If you see, designed by Quinn Kellyanne's Quinn Query, that's a fan-made monster. Weasel. Pop goes the weasel. Yep, that's Weasel, and I'll show y'all a clip of what they sound like. So this is Weasel on Earth Island. No, this is HYEHEHE. Okay, so during Earth Island, you can't really hear the shakes. Like, those, you can't really hear them, but you can hear his So here's what he sounds like on Mythical, because he's a mythical. And that's what he looks like sleeping. I'll show y'all Weasel. This is Weasel on Mythical. Ooh, that hit different. That's good. Some good music. And that's what it looks like sleeping.